Hello, viewers and subscribers. And back on March the 9th, I started some cucumber and zucchini seed, and also melon. And so I'm going to be showing you pictures of March the 9th and March the 13th, when the seeds started to germinate, and then April the 7th, I'm going to show you what they look like. And basically I had to transplant some of the seedlings into larger pots, and so stay tuned. Hello, viewers and subscribers, and this is an update video on the seeds that I started. I started them about 3 weeks ago, and there were some melons and some zucchini, and so what I need to do is I need to transfer them out of these smaller pots and put them in a much larger pot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that process, and then I'll show you these seedlings, because right now I'm in zone 6B, and it's not the time to put them out yet. In another couple of weeks, we'll have our last frost, which will be April the 23rd. And so I'm going to try to keep them going inside, indoors, until it's time to put them out. When the temperatures get up to be like 65 to 78 degrees is the right time for these types of plants. And so I kind of jumped the gun, started these, I think, too soon. But I am not going to get rid of these plants. I'm going to keep them going. Since I have some hidden harvest lights, and I have some other grow lights indoors, I'm just going to try to keep them going until it's time for them to go out. So after I have transplanted all of these, I'll be right back. Okay. Now this is the Bait Alpha cucumber, and I transferred that one, transplanted it into this larger pot, and basically that's where it's going to stay until I'm ready to put it out into the a container outside. In the container that I'll probably end up putting the cucumber in, it might be a 10-gallon or 20-gallon container. And this is a crookneck squash, and I had no idea that the squash was going to grow so quickly, but I am going to be putting these on the bottom rack of the mussel rack that I have, and I'm going to keep them going until, again, it gets warm enough to put them out. Now, this is another crookneck squash that I took off the little starter pot, and I decided to start a cracky grow with the crookneck squash to see how that goes. Okay, and back here I have a dark green zucchini, and that zucchini's under the Hidden Harvest grow light, and it seems to like the lights. It's reacted really, really well. Okay, now this is a golden zucchini. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put something in there to keep it upright. But these little seeds, I can't wait for it to get warm enough outside to put them out. But okay. After I finish potting the rest of the melons and zucchinis, then I'll come on and I'll show you them in the rack under the grow lights. Viewers and subscribers, and this is basically the melon seedlings and the squash seedlings, and they're under my grow lights. And let's try to basically keep them growing until it's ready. It's time to put them out. Right now it's kind of rainy and it's not quite the temperature to put them out. So I'll do another update in the next few weeks to let you see how they're doing. The melons aren't really ready to be transplanted into a bigger container right now. So I'm just going to keep giving them a little plant food and keep everything going. So until the next video, blessings, y'all.